Today we're going to bring up bidet. This is cold or hot. There's two ways of setting it up. All right, so one way you could cap it if you only have one circuit, one water coming in. You could cap it too. But if you have hot or cold, you could set it up. And if you can see, here's the actual knob here. And what you do is you get the Allen wrench in here, and you pretty much just basically up and down for cold and hot. Depends how much water you want, pressure. You can do that, pressurize your water through left and right in angles too. Now here's the entrance that you're going to need. You're going to need hot and cold, and like I said, if you only have one hose, you could just cap it up too. Now this is a little powerful little water spout that you're going to get to set up, but once you set it up, everything matches up with your, if you have the fixtures, you can match it up. So also included for the wall fixture, in case you don't want to move this. And they also give you how much piping, demonstration of how much piping you need to require to actually set up on the outside. So this is a perfect way how to bring in entering the way. They give you a little template here, including with the plumber's tape, Allen wrenches that you're going to require to tighten, fasten the actual Allen wrench here. And then once you set this up, it's pretty much set to go. Instructions are included, and everything's in the brass color, brushed gold, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna set up this part only. I don't have the actual fixture for this, unfortunately, but I do have it for this. And this is a very, you could even clean your toilets with this because it's very powerful. You go, of course, you know, the degree, and then you have to worry about hot or cold because it's going to be, you know, you could set it up on your own temperature, and all you got to do is turn it on pretty much. So let's set this up and see how it works. So there's how powerful it is. So push a button. Look at that. I like this. You can clean your bathrooms with it, your bathtubs, your toilets. You can use it for anything in the room. Very powerful, very strong. So it's a good convenient water hose, as you guys can see that. So I'm testing it on the shower so you guys can see how powerful it is. So there you have it.